Hey everyone, Johnny here, your premier real estate agent. I wanted to tell you about another amazing open house we're having today. This one is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, get this, 5,600 square feet. It is a large property and it has what they call sophisticated functionality. What does that mean? Well, it actually has a multi-generational room inside the home. So in other words, an ADU, okay? And it is completely self-contained with a bedroom, obviously, a kitchen area, living room, and its own bathroom, of course. Gotta have that. And it is amazing looking. You need to come here and check it out. We're gonna be here between 12 and 4 p.m. today for our open house. And it is in the beautiful district of La Mesa Hills. Panoramic view, guys. You can see the ocean when the marine layer isn't so thick. So we're going to be here between, like I said, between 12 and 4 p.m. today. Come on by, say hello. If you'd like more information, give us a call at 619-383-2959. Talk to you soon.